Good morning, every one of you. First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God, as well as teachers, most respected headmasters, teachers, busters, both Jingao, Jingyu, Jingha, and Jingpong, village council members headed by chairman, Chairman SMTC, and all the gathering members who are attend here today's felicitation program. I'm really glad to standing in front of you here for getting this wonderful opportunity. Once again, I really thank to God, teachers, and my prayer supporters people, because I got HSLC qualified with the help of God, teachers, as well as yours prayer. Point 1. Teachers are like our parents. They guide us through our way we feel when we feel lost. Teachers have always taken care of us when we were at school, made us learn the difference between the right and the wrong. There have been times when life was difficult and our teachers will teach us to fight in difficult times. So, I want to talk about those who got failures. Quotation koledo mukhala kuthaurado nguyam anakwe ulvi nagami surakina kwe najane. Quotation koledo failure is the key of success. Fail hua do mukhan key ekta ase chabi ekta ase aro next day chitibule karne anakwe ase. For example, our former President of India, Dr. A.B.J. Abdul Kalam, said that if you get fail, never give up. Fail means first attempt in learning. Mukhan first attempt kora se learning de ina ko se. In is not the in. In fact, in means effort never dies. And he said in another word, if you get no as an answer, remember, no means next opportunity. In life, we have to be suffered today. Then you will get, tomorrow will be enjoying day. If you enjoy today, then you will get suffer tomorrow. So, I don't have anything to give you, but I have prepared a small token of love as a memory for keep our staff room. So, please kindly to take my small token of love. One of you come and receive my small token of love. Pisi tibuli monase huligi iku na itu brado tibuli na pare itu receive korige na. Thank you, one and all.